not entirely sure why this guy is doing this, but it's kind of cool. He's like upside down feeding on the surface. There were some flakes there, but like he gets sinker food. I must see if I can zoom out. I must need to. There are a lot of snails in here now, kind of eating up what they might normally eat up. You can see that that one flower is getting consumed by the snails right now, and it's putting up another flower, as you can see. It's just about there, actually. Let's see. Where are we coming up here? Just poking through right here. Hello, fishies. So, gonna be another flower, which is cool. Let's see if the beta fish is over here. Hell yeah, my beta buddy's here. Dovahkiin. What up, Dovahkiin? Can't get a good focus, unfortunately. Maybe like this. Maybe just go like this. What up, Dovahkiin, the Dragonborn? Fusrodal, etc. All right. Dovahkiin. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Some food, Dovahkiin. I know I just fed you, but you do want some feed. Fusro. Da! Fusro. Fusro. Da! Dovahkiin. You may hear the chickens outside. What's up, buddy? You want some food? You're right. So the new flower pod has just broke the surface. Let's see when it opens up. As you can see, the chickens have kicked the bucket of food that I had out here for them and finished it all off at once, which is fine. Like, they're free to eat as much as they want, but I don't have any money right now, so I'm out here with some cooked rice. You want some, ladies? Over here? Nice ladies. he gets a little bit rough. But my ladies don't. Nice ladies. What you doing, Dovahkiin? Just chilling. Whoa, whoa. Dovahkiin. Nice and cute. I guess you guys want food too. Here you go. Dovahkiin. Nice fishy. That chicken just flew onto the telephone wire. Where'd you shove yourself, Dovahkiin? I know, Hound. So as you can see, I've not done much keeping up out here. Don't you peck me. With the lawn situation, the places that got water, that had the clover and hairy vetch combo, look really nice. The places that got blocked off by weeds tended to die off, which is very good to know, and I'm going to be using that knowledge next year. I have a lot to do for fall. A lot of stuff that I've been letting go. Don't be pecky. For summer, just because my concerns have been, my attention has been drawn elsewhere a lot of the time. But there's stuff that I gotta get done before fall. There's nothing here, guys. There's no food. See? So they got to get a coop built out of brick. They've been sleeping in the doghouse still. Sometimes they sleep in the little goat pen. It's all right. That's not food either. I have some rice cooking for them right now. They're a little, as you can see, they're a little hungry. Don't be like that. I just gave them some popcorn. They're just being greedy. Aren't you? They have their own language. It's kind of fun. That's not food either. That's a mala. That's a mala, see? Not food. You can try it out, I guess, but it's not going to do much for you. So I'm going to cook the rice up. I'll get you guys a proper update once I have some stuff done. Once I get their coop built. They might even be laying eggs out in the jungle and I don't even know it. Like, they are definitely old enough at this point. There are 19 hens and 1 rooster. there should be eggs happening here in the near future if they're not happening yet. So, and I also got to clip their wings because I saw one flying up on the telephone wire today, which is higher than the fence, and I don't want them wandering around every time they run out of food. As you can see, they started pecking at the seed of the lamb's quarter. They've been eating that while they wait for me. They graze on ants, they graze on everything that's around. They're little omnivores. They just peck and eat. So it's actually kind of good to let their food run out, in my opinion. It shows them, hey, you live in a world of abundance around you. You can just go, you know, partake. And that just makes things easier on everybody. But I should have some actual chicken crumble for them tomorrow. And then I'll have an actual update on actual progress here in the near future. Right, chickens? Alright, let's go get you some rice. So I know I have a long way to go. Ow! But if you enjoy this content, not food, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I'm trying to be able to live stream so that I can kind of just update you guys as I see cool things. Just live. Oh, dude, that's my toe. Come on. Anyway, stay weird and be kind. Tobaking. I think we might get a flower tomorrow. Like, she's kind of been sitting there on the surface. Near the surface, slowly coming up past the surface. So maybe tomorrow. Chickens. Anybody want some? I think they might actually be getting full. What up, chicken? Oh, I know it's shiny. What up, chicken? I should learn to tell them apart and start giving them names, but I may have to get rid of some eventually, which will be sad, but chickens. Go for it again? No? Not food? Nice chickens. Nice chickens. Well, hello. What can I do for you? You know there's rice over there.